So guys, it is Monday 20th of May 2024. If you know you're a good trader, you can trade and make millions of dollars every day. Please, this video is not for you. Just go like this. I mean, like this. Anyone, shall move. This video is not for you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This video is actually for me and you that is still waiting, you and me. Now we are still growing up in the forex system or in the forex market. This video is actually for us. Many of us we incurred losses last week. Some of us, out of 5 trades we took, we all had 5 losses. Some of us 3, 2, and so on and so forth. Even me myself, I was actually on a drawdown on Wednesday, and it was actually a very good, movement on Thursday that brought me out of my drawdown to profit. So I'm going to share that on my shorts. Just watch my shorts on how I made over $500 on a trade from my losses. Washa, I forgot to record the loss. I shall show you how I made money. So aside from that, we may incur losses last week, but that shouldn't weigh us down. That shouldn't, make us think that forex is a scam. The way some of you guys, you the way you actually think forex is a scam. Well, don't ever think like that. This video I'm going to be showing you 3 tips you need to know before you enter a trade today. Like, these 3 tips really helped my life. I've been a failure trader. Like, when I talk about a failure trader, a kind of trader that always incur losses in the market. But this particular strategy really helps my life to become upcoming profitable trader. At least if I actually take 5 trades, 4 out of 5 are actually working using this particular strategy I am about sharing down to you on this video. What strategy means? You need to have a strategy. You need to have a working strategy. Probably maybe your strategy is double top, double bottom, key levels, trending. Any of those strategies, just have a profitable strategy. And you can actually have profitable strategy by actually emulating the strategies being shared on YouTube by those profitable forex traders. Or probably you can actually self-teach yourself by backtesting the charts and trying to see what really happens in the market and what strategy really works for you while you are backtesting. This is actually a very good one at which you can start getting used to a strategy that really works in the market. So number 2, you really need a trading plan. Most of us, we don't have a trading plan. I don't have a trading plan before. I have now. So you need to have a working and a trading plan. The trading plan will really help you to know when to enter into a market, when to exit a market, what are the confluences you need to see before you enter into the market, what are your trading targets, what are your take profit targets, your stop loss targets, what are the lessons you need to learn from every losing trade or a lesson you need to preserve from a winning trade so that you can replicate it on your other trade. So those are the things you really need to know, and these are the reasons why you need to have a trading plan that will help you approach the market in a concise way. Is my English too big? Or is my English too much? If it is too much, drop it in the comment section. But if it is simple and you understand what I'm saying, let's go. So number 3 is trade management. You really need to know how to manage your trades. Like, seriously, I don't know why people will enter a trade without putting a stop loss or a take profit on a trade. Kunle, why now? Why? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Like, seriously, why will you enter a trade without putting a stop loss or a take profit? You think you are a guru. So in every trade you are going to be taking, ensure you are actually putting your take profit and your stop loss. And I always tell people, and I think in my last video I actually said it, that always ensure any strategy you're actually taking should be at least 1:2, 1:3, 1:4. Even 1:5 is not a bad thing. I have a friend that actually used 1:10 in every of his trades. I hope you're getting me now. At least have a 1:2 strategy that will help you manage the trades. So ensure you have a good trade management. Know when to cut your losses and know when to stop being greedy and grab your take profits. I hope you're getting it right. So those are the 3 things that actually helped me in my trading career and it's helping me to grow so very well. And I believe I continue like this, in the next 1 year or 2, I should be like Jeffrey Benson or Happy Forex kind of trader that'll make money for myself and teach people how to make money as well. Could you even be free? Could be paid. Anyone. So guys, if this video really helps you and you learn 1 or 2 in this video, do ensure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my amazing videos. So guys, I'll see you in another video. Peace.